not while you can work within the confines of this system. 6940 seems to be rejection area. But I'm too spooked to try to play it over here in this over under just because 6950 is looming. And like I said, guys, it's only 10 minutes into the day. Market hasn't really made up its mind. Let's take a look at the data though. Take a look at net drift. Show me the money. Money, 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 money. This is mixed. Very, very mixed. In the money, out of the money, or moneyness, I believe. Moneyness versus out of the money. Honestly, this is relatively decent on a Monday. Don't worry, let me change the date here, guys. Yeah, it's really mixed here. Show me the money. Money, 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 money. Getting a lot of call action here. We spiked up to around 69.43 SPX. Let's see if we get that reject at 69.50. Let's see if this little sell wall here holds. It's not even a little sell wall. It's a pretty big one. I got one of these Top Step accounts that got wrecked last week. I got it handy right here. Get the hell off of NQ right now real fast. I might be waiting for a touch to try a little mechanical short. I'm not going to lie. Might be a little greedy right now. Just test a little mechanical short. I'm not an unreasonable guy. Yeah, let me pull up the calendar. So I'm a little bit jumbled chat. Show me the money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. Money, money, money. Show me the money. Let's just wait for that data to come out in 51 seconds. Let's just be patient with this data. Yeah, micros, 3 micro MNQ. That's decent. Cat lover. I'm going to do 1 ES. 20 seconds. Ooh, that wall. Look at that depletion. Oh my God. $400 million depleted just like that. We might squeeze past this. We might squeeze past this right now. 69.50. If we don't get that mechanical short here. Because that sell wall just got sold. Well, we're trying to reposition. I don't think it's gonna hold. I was gonna test a mechanical short here, chat, just like I said, but I'm gonna cool off on that for a little bit. Or if I do, I gotta try it with a very small stop because it's starting to form again. I don't know. I don't know. Ugh. Being patient, being patient. I'm taking a look at it here. I want to see another touch. If it rejects here, then okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. That was the mechanical short I was looking for, but I want to see what happens if we touch 69.50. Again, 69.50, 33 high day there. Oh my God, MPO, you're so patient. You're so smart. You're so patient and you're so smart. Oh man, Kronos, it's one of those days, man. Sometimes you get those days where all you do is print. It's always good to have some fun that's handy there. Yo, this is making like a meaning. This looks like a meaningful like short here, but I think I think we're about to get rug pulled to the sky. So, this is like the magic genie rug pull, where instead of hitting the ground, you run into the sky, I think. All right, here's 69.50 tap, break a 69.50 33. And like I said, chat, I have a sneaky suspicion that that short won't play out too well here, that perhaps we might run into some gamma expansion. But I'll try a mechanical short here right now. I'm just going to try mechanical short. I'm going to set my stop like 3 points higher above me. So if they make another high, it makes another high, it stops me out. I think it will, but I'll only lose $160. But I want to see if we can potentially come to the way down here. I think I'm going to get stopped out here though, really. Let's see, let's be patient. If not, I'll make like a band on this way back down. So I went short ES. 69.74.75 here, 69.78 stop. We're $100 in the profit. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna slap a break even there. Just because it's one of these Mondays, I don't want to risk it. But it does look like a meaningful rejection, mechanical rejection at least. Which means my thesis is we're range bound. I'm not really big bear or big bull here. I got stopped out there. I got stopped out for break even more or less, but I don't want to risk it because this might just shoot up into expansion again because we did make a new high. But I'm curious to see if we do have a mechanical short here on the table. Like maybe like a half retracement or something, We'll see. From what, 69.51, we wick down about 6 points. Yeah, today's not a good day to be on NQ. This is going to be painful. NQ. Can you hear me, Misha?
Yo, yo, yo.
Good morning, Misha. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you fine.
Okay. I'll reconnect just in case.
Hello.
Yeah. Ding dong.
Can anybody hear MPO better now?
Misha, I think we're gonna break past this and expand right now.
Uh-huh.
I'm a flip long.
Order filled.
I went one contract long, just one.
Yeah, you're good. You're on ES, so
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
give myself.
I would maybe try the short at 69.60, but I don't usually trade this early, so I'm still getting set up. Let's see.
Yeah, that's why I'm playing small. I'm just running one con at a time. But I do think we're gonna flip just because I seen all that sell interest leave. All right, we're starting to expand just a little bit, chat. We're up $200. I'm gonna slap another break even. All right, I'm gonna throw this $100 into profit. We're up 325 here. Breaking the expansion. I'm gonna take 300 when I see it. Hopefully I see it again. Hopefully I don't get stopped out for 100 here because I'm gonna take the 3 if I see it. Oh no, 360. I need more. I need more. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take 350. I'm gonna take 350 on one, just to start the day, chat. Can you guys hear me? Wars, BV, Skeeter. Maybe you need to leave. Do you guys? Are you guys able to see? You guys saw that I just went long on ES. Took a little bit trade. You guys hear me talking about my Ethereum position, how it's losing ass. I'm getting my ass took. I'm getting molested diddled by Ethereum. You guys can hear that the data here, we had a whole bunch of maybe 900 million sell side interest at 69.50 that got washed. Yeah. We're all on the same page. We're all on the same page, boys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's that 69.60 short, Misha.
Yeah.
I saw that and I was scared of that. I'm like, oh, I'm going to take a little snip snap here, you know? A little snip snap.
Trying to get my OBS to work here. Let me see.
Yeah. I wanted to test long from that bottom sooner, but the 69.50 and the 69.60 rejection here just, disgusting. Disgusting. All right. All right, boys. About 30 minutes in, chat. We took a little $300 trade, little $300 scalp. Take a little breaky break. I'm gonna give this market some time to settle down. Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
It's so weird. OBS will just like latch onto one browser and won't let you move it to another one.
You have to click clack on that screen, Misha. On the screen you want OBS to be on. So click clack, then open OBS.
It's okay. I'll just move this to the browser it seems to like. Let's see.
All right, Misha, I have the news up. I have the data up, and I have the PA and the news release here on Top Step. I will take a little breaky break, guys. I will be back.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a 30-minute break. I'm gonna come back, mark my charts, and then we'll be ready to kick this shit off formally.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait at
With
least
big
like
moosh.
yeah. I'm gonna start updating my charts in like 10 minutes, and then I'll be ready. So
Gray Noise said, "Thanks for the friend request, NPO. I sent over my Robinhood login info so you can double." No, Gray Noise, that's a scammer. We will never DM you first. We will never ask you for your info. And we will never have you like invest, cross invest, and, throw money towards or profit share, crypto, stocks, that kind of bullshit. We don't do stuff like that. We don't do stuff like that. NPO coin? No, Olaf, no. Stop sending money to other people. I'm not, I don't even have that much money. Usually these people getting, usually these fake bots, when there's thousands of fake bots of one person, that person's a very powerful, rich, influential person. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not that wealthy, powerful, or influential. Sexy, I can't say, If the world was based on sexiness, I'd run this shit, but, real world accomplishments, I'm just okay. I'm not that guy. All right, perfect, Skeeter. You can hear us now. This whole time we've just been talking about big macro in the market, ranges on the SPX, the data. And I'm not going to repeat myself either. We're only going to say it once, Look at this 10-point price pin now, Misha. 69.50 to 69.60.
I see it.
Let's see if it holds.
Would have been a decent little trade on NQ, little 30 points.
Dangerous today on NQ. Today's for the big boy surfers,
Yeah. I'm still going to trade NQ.
I'm gonna stay on the ES. Stay on the ES. Look, I want to look at the 69.50 tap. We're gonna tap 69.50. We're gonna tap it. Little tippity tap. Because I think we're gonna go up again from here, from 69.50 back up. That's what I think. That's what me thinks is gonna happen. But again, guys, we do have some more data coming out in less than 3 minutes. All right, there goes the 69.50. 69.50 tap. Are we going to go below it? Yes, we are. 69.48. SPY 60.92. About half a point here on the SPY to fall before we hit that wall. Let me see how it works. I switched here to the SPY 692.3, 0.36, 0.38, 0.4. I'm going to try it now. I'm going to try the long now. Even though I know there's a little bit more room to fall, I'm going to try it now. I'm going to set my stop 69.66. About 6 points below here. That'll put me break even on the day if this fails, if this structure breaks. But I don't think it will.
That was a nice fucking short, man. Oh my god.
On NQ? Yeah, I know. Hopefully this is a nice long back
actually
up.
Throw it on an eval while I was trying to set this up, so that was nice.
Let's see if this long goes back up the same way. 69.72. I'm a TP at 69.86. I'll take 16 points if I could get it. If we don't get sent back down to hell from here. Sus.
Thought you were gonna take a break. What happened?
You're right. I'll put this on break even. It's on break even. I'm gonna take a break. Yeah. I'll take a break. This is on break even.
Put it in profit. Put it in profit before you leave. Just a little bit.
There's not enough profit here. It's ES side.
Put it one tick. Oh shit! It already came down.
That's what I'm saying. It's already brother, Let's do it. Oh, I got it, Misha. It's there. $50.
You got it. You got it.
That one's sus because just right around here, you guys already know it's over undering kind of violent. We might play in that lower range again, to be honest. So really, that was kind of stupid,
dude. Look at
Yeah.
IQ. That wick came all the way almost up to the top.
Yeah.
That was
I caught that little micro pivot. I just caught it on the wrong thing, you know? With the way I've been scalping this shit, I should have just been running like a grand on NQ at a time, you know? One con, take a grand. But it is what it is, you know? It's Monday. Full disclosure, right, community? I'm the weakest futures trader on the panel. My panelists are, you know, savage on this future side. But soon I will be joining them.
I wouldn't say weakest. You're just the newest. You know, you're so busy doing everything else.
Yeah. My bad. Let me rephrase. So I'm the highest IQ, lowest output trader, but the IQ is there. The IQ is through the roof.
Yeah.
My IQ is actually slightly below average, Misha. I did an IQ test.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's slightly below average. I have no fucking clue how I've managed to find success in life. Maybe I'm so dumb. I just keep getting handouts, you know, in the world of business.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I think maybe you might
The IQ test was faulty.
You might just
You
be
think?
like a classic overthinker. So you might have been like looking at questions as trick questions and not taking the obvious answer.
All right, well, look, while we take a break, let's take an IQ test. Let's take an IQ test. All right, chat. Well, this is a random IQ. God damn it, that long. All right, it's okay. It's okay, chat. At least it's working out. Who took that long? Didn't get stopped out like me. Oh my God, I knew it, you little whore. You little whore. SPX. Oh my God, cat lover. I got you your first payout.
No, not his first payout. Jesus, 63,000 balance. This guy.
Oh, you fucking hater. You were just joking.
No,
Wait.
Oh, it's his first payout on this account.
Oh,
This account.
cat lover. Can I get a shout out in profits and losses? Can I get a tag one time? That's a big deal to
cat
me.
Lover. No cat lover. Put my name on
Please,
it. Put my name
please,
on it.
you might have been bugging, man. He's like, so NPO, what have you done this week? I just want to remind you, you know, I took, 20,000 in payouts. Rekias took 5,000 in payouts. Misha took 6,000 in payouts. How much in payouts did you take this weekend, PO? Oh, nothing.
No, you guys, he's not joking. Like, every time you guys ping one of us in profits and losses, like, Yamada's writing that down. Like, it's like a battle to stay on the team. So if you guys don't do it, he's gonna fire us.
What have you done lately, NPO? What have you done lately, Misha?
Oh, you just have to slow your voice down, and then you'll have Yamada's voice perfect, according to Wars. Do you have to think about that one? That's pretty obvious.
What number comes next in this? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What number is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15? Cat is to kitten as dog is to puppy. Book is to reading as fork is to eating. I quickly recognize patterns and sequences. I easily visualize 3D objects in my mind. I mean, I guess. Choose your answer. Oh, shit. Well, I need to have the boxes in the corner here. I think this is it, right?
I
No,
think it's that one. Yeah.
no. Yeah, it's this one. No, it's my IQ test. You can't help me.
Oh, sorry.
Stop helping me, bro.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
I think it's this one. Missing two boxes. Two boxes. What the fuck? Okay. What is this? Four decreasing boxes. It doesn't look like that one. It doesn't. It looks like this one.
Yo, LJ, I just got out of a nice short. I'm gonna wait a second so I can actually finish my charts.
4, 5,
But
6,
yeah,
8, 9, 10, 11. What the fuck? It looks like this one, but it should be this one because this one's significantly more. There's three of them. Fuck, bro. I think it's this. Yeah, I'm a genius. Fuck, dude, I hate Sudoku. God damn it, Misha, this long. Look at this long chat. Yeah,
it's a nice long.
I'm still in ETHU, guys. Like, I understand I'm bleeding, but it's just you guys just won't get that from me. Like, you're not gonna get a quiet little cell. Like, it's like this. I think. Boom. So what? Like that? Bird, bird. So like this with three. Square, circle, circle, square, square. Yeah. White cloud, white raining, black cloud, black rainy? Can you see my IQ test, Misha?
Yeah.
Okay, biggest balloon. What the fuck? What the
It's
fuck
like
does this mean?
insanely easy. This is like something like I feel like an elementary school kid could do. I don't know how you. What is this the same one you took when you said you scored low?
What the fuck? That one. Butterflies. What the fuck does this mean?
No, Olaf,
What the
don't help him. He has to do this by
Don't
himself.
help me. Don't help me. This is my IQ test, not your guys' IQ test. What the fuck does this mean? Butterflies, patterns. Oh, full? Is that why? Okay. Middle. What the fuck? I guess.
Oh no, that was wrong.
4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's see. What does any of this shit mean? It's got to be one of these. I think it's this one. I think it's that one. Diamond, heart, missing a heart, and it's going to be this heart. 3, 7, 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. God damn it, look at this long chat. I'm a genius. I called this. Hold on, let me go back to the IQ test. Okay, so these three are in a row. Fuck does this mean? Box. Oh, so another one with the box? But it has to be the same box. How do I know if this box and that box are different? They look the same. I think it needs the ribbon. No, it's this one. Only 5 questions left. Oh my God, Domino's. Wrong demographic to ask. What the fuck? 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2. Okay, boom, boom. That's this. That's what they're looking for. No, they're looking for it like this. I believe intelligence develops strongly through. Yeah. I often, yeah. What is your age? I'm 28. What is your education? Only engineering, not a big deal. I understand. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're about to tell me my IQ, chat. Oh my God. What's my IQ? Numbers. What's my IQ? What's my IQ? They're about to tell me. No! All right, give me a second. See? So they didn't give me my IQ score?
This could cost you $1. What the hell, bro?
What the? All right, guys.
My
I need
name
a
is
free
Jeff.
IQ.
I didn't take a trade on this long. I actually took this short while I was trying to set up my OBS, and then I haven't been in a position. I was looking at potential short, a little bit higher here, but gotta be careful. LJ, did you take the 70 short? I would have waited maybe like 6 more points, 5 more points, but it's possible. Looking to add, yeah. It was like right about where I would maybe attempt. Let's see.
All right, this is Mind Orbit Test. This says this is 100% free. No bullshit.
There. Let's start with 3K.
What the hell? We've done this one. We've done this.
6990 cat lover? Oh, bro. Don't say that. Very nice.
Piss me off. I don't even want to get an IQ test anymore, Misha. I'm content with being stupid.
Oh,
What do you guys think I would have got? What do you guys think my IQ? What was my projected IQ here?
I'm thinking like 175.
Is that a good IQ? 175?
Yeah, it's a good IQ.
Six, seven.
So Kronos, on Friday, I was there was a lot of really good trades on Friday to take, and I was just racking out half passes, and I got so excited I didn't switch one of the accounts, so I made 4,500 twice on one of my evals. So because I look over and I'm like, why is this eval balance at 10K? I just opened it, and I didn't have enough time in the day to lose the money. I managed to lose I think like 3K, so I had to make an extra like 2,000 or something. So I managed to get that trade today on that short. I actually took 5 contracts because I was like, all right, I have all this extra drawdown. Let's just go for it. So I just passed that on this little dump here. But I understand your position.
You want to take a 7,000 psych short again with me, Misha?
I like it. We're almost at 25,900 on NQ, and there's also some pretty substantial levels around 75, 76 on SPX. So this is not a bad test for a short. So I'm actually already in one, but this is starter. I might add more if we come up to the 900.
I'm being patient here.
But
I
SPX
see
is
what you
stalling a lot, so this could get a little dicey on NQ.
Yep.
Let's see.
I'm going to start one here as well. I started one short.
I was up about $400, but it came straight back up.
All right. I'm going to use a restroom. BRB.
See you. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, Kronos. There's a tiny bit more room to come up here. We'll see. Got me sizing a little bit aggressively because I have all these half-past evals I'm trying to just bang out. So definitely, if you're following this stuff, definitely go like 1 or 2 cons. Don't be going 3 to 5 like me. It's very dangerous. How was everybody's weekend? I didn't do much of anything. We did actually. We went to get my wife's ring service because the diamond was loose, and I was looking around at the jeweler. They had like a bunch of like pre-owned Rolexes for like 10, 15K. They're pretty cool looking. Actually, I think I took a picture. Hang on. I'm not really a watch person, but like, you know, I couldn't help but peruse a little bit. Where's it? These ones. Yumata was saying I should get the one that's like the gold face with the black band. Pretty nice looking. Yeah, exactly. Like I have my smartwatch and it does all the things for me. I don't know. I just feel like this stuff is just like a flex, and I'm like, it's not really my thing. Oh shit, we just got huge candle. Okay. Is it safe to add? Probably not. Probably not at all. I think I'm gonna go for it though. This might blow up in my face if I do. Let me think. Let me think. Yeah, that's the one that Yamada said I should get. I'm not the watch expert though. Like Reza, I think Reza and Swayze know a lot about watches. They talk about them sometimes. That's okay, LJ. Just a eval. Just a eval. We broke the levels I was looking at too, but could still come back down. I wanted to add here, but that could have been really dangerous if it kept going. I'm just going to have to let this play out for now. Gold is ugly. Yeah, I mean, I don't really think gold looks good on me either. I look better with, like, silver. Well, you know where to take it, Kronos. Go to our new Metal Traders Anonymous channel where we can talk about our crazy behavior. Company that made your website use deceptive practices to sign you up for an annual auto renewing service in the fine print that is against the law and Consumer Protection Act. Hey, do the chargebacks, man. Get your money back. So you guys know that Top Step put me on the FTP program, right? So I haven't been using them because I'm not trying to trade the 50K. And I go and look at my statements, and they've been charging me for multiple subscriptions for 150K accounts, even though I have no active accounts, no accounts open, not even a blown eval open. So I messaged them and I'm like, guys, like, what the hell is this? Why are you charging me? And they said, so we can either give your money back or we can let you keep all the credits you accrued and reactivate these 150K accounts. I'm like, so did I just circumvent the FTP program because now I have a bunch of 150 counts if I say yes to this? Yeah, I broke the loop. I was like, yeah, I got something. Yeah, it's like I have 7 or 8 pages of payouts. So yeah, it's like 70 something. I don't know. I'd have to look exactly.
Misha, I'm gonna take a little break now. I just came back from the restroom. Just scream if we need to TP, okay? Scream.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Or I'll scream.
Just scream, Misha.
I'll scream if you're about to blow up too.
Yeah, chat. Scream at us, all right? If you see some shit. This is real. We're actually live trading, so I'm gonna go take a break.
Okay.
But it is great to trade with you in the morning time, Misha. It's been real nice hearing your voice.
You too, man. It's so good to have you back.
Guys, don't start flexing the Rolexes in the chat. Don't make me do what I do, okay? Don't make me do what I do.
Oh, please bring it out. We love sharing spoils of war, man.
Don't make me, chat. Don't make me do what I do. They call me Big Hordy. Big Hordy culture.
So looking back here, because I entered this a little early, I think that if I had done 2 and maybe added 2, that would have been a smarter move in this volatility. So because I started with 3, I kind of over leveraged myself. And if I average into this, I don't really like the room that it's going to give me, unfortunately. So
Added one.
that's
I
a
added
little
one
reflection on what I did here.
I added one right here for the gangster.
Baller.
What are we trying to TP at, Misha? That's the real question. What are we trying to TP at?
I think that 60 maybe SBX would be good for you. I would be looking at. I'm looking at more like around. So you see, my TP is where we originally took the short, and that's this level we broke around 25,800. So that's where my TP is. I think it might be a little bit high. I didn't actually. Let me see here.
You said 69.60 for me?
Yeah, I think.
50. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
No,
I
makes
think
perfect
that-
sense. Thank
yeah,
you.
I think that would be the spot for you. 69.60 if you're lucky, maybe 69.50.
Yeah. Love it. Let's see if we get it.
It still looks like overall we're still wanting to move
God.
up on the day, so we don't want to be too greedy on our shorts.
Take a break. Walk away.
What do you mean, Gray Man? Let's see it. Of course we want to see it. If I had a Hello Kitty watch, I'd be showing it to you guys.
Misha, I already know you. Aren't you a Rolex guy?
Listen, every time I pass a Rolex shop, I gotta go in and look, but like I've never been a watch guy. I don't even wear my watches properly. I wear my smartwatch on my dominant hand, on my dominant arm. Everyone always
okay.
calls me weird for that, and it's just like it's just more comfortable to me. I don't like. I never
My name
understood
Jeff.
wearing it on the other arm.
Look at my name, Jeff, here. He says he wears his watches as investments. He never wears them. That's interesting, Jeff. I also used to invest in timepieces as investments. I'm curious to see if you're willing to share a little of your portfolio with us. Anything you really like in your collection? Anything that you made a great return on so far? Oh, look. We're up $300. Am I surprised? No, I'm trading with Misha. The number one payout. Boy, whatever you call that.
The number one payout. Oh shit.
Oh, we're up 400. Oh, 400 Dissy. Give me that 4 Dissy.
The payout princess? Come on, Elmer.
Oh, yep. Murph got it right.
Oh.
The princess of payouts. Oh, okay. So my name is Jeff said he buys from AD and sell on gray market. So what that means, chat, is that my name Jeff has already been successful. He's already been buying Rolexes before it was cool. So now Rolex rewards him by treating him real well, giving him priority to like time the sports timepieces in which he could buy them, make like a quick $7,000-8,000 at a time. Hey man, don't hate the player, hate the game. Good on you. My name's Jeff. Good on you.
Oh, Chrono's got a much nicer entry. Very nice.
This dude, Chrono, stays sniping. He figured out the trick. There's a secret trick to trading here where you guys just kind of watch me trade on the panel, wait till I'm in the red, and then take the position.
No,
It's a
absolutely
very
gold
ancient
strategy.
tradition.
Yeah. No, it works every time. Especially, I was telling him, like, back in the day before I knew what I was doing when Yamada was spoon feeding us, like, you know, a year ago, almost exactly. If I saw him holding a trade in the red, like, with conviction, I'm like, oh, this is perfect, you know? Like, then I'm going to come in, get a Yamada trade with a better entry. Like, I'm always getting paid, you know? Adam, what is AD? What does that mean?
Authorized dealer.
Oh, authorized dealer. Okay.
You would have known if you were from the space, you know, but clearly you're not, you know, so, you know.
I am like
No.
the newest of new money. I don't know anything about anything. And I'm not even like money. I just like made a little bit of money, you know.
Just know when you guys I forgot what I was gonna say, but I was about to make some shit up. I you know what? On a serious note, I don't even really wear timepieces anymore either. I'm like fascinated with aquariums now. In fact, Misha, let me show you. I'll show you my eel. He's doing so well. What should I name him? I got a zebra moray chat. I'll
Oh,
show
you
you guys.
did?
I'll show
That's
you
so
guys.
weird. I was just watching a video of a zebra eel, and I was like, "This is so cool." Is it big?
He's about 15 inches.
Okay. Is he gonna get bigger, or are they like they grow to the size of their tank? I think he's going to get the eel. Oh
Hello?
shit! Here we go. Let's see.
I'm right
let's
here.
see.
He's back there.
Oh,
He's a real good boy. He's
that's
real
cool
friendly.
looking. Wow.
You see him? Oh, he's such a cutie. Hello.
He
Good
plays
morning.
nice with the fish too.
Oh yeah, zebra morays are very docile. Like, look at these tiny ass fish. He leaves them all alone.
So what does he eat?
He eats shrimp. I feed him prawns. I feed him squid. I feed him mussels, fresh.
So if you throw like a shrimp in there for him to eat, do the other fish try and get it too, or they're just all playing nice?
No, they everyone's nice, and I hand feed him. So I'll put something on the tongs and I'll put it right in front of him, and he'll eat it. Because eels are more or less really bad with their eyesight.
Okay.
Yeah. But what's going to happen is this rock column in the top is going to connect. I'm getting an additional cave built here in the corner. The lights are going to get put up. I had to get this custom lid because I have clamps. So for it to be flush, I have a Euro brace, like an acrylic Euro brace with a mesh net in the filter coming. I mean mesh net in the center coming. I need a stand for my skimmer. I just have it tilted right now so it doesn't make a lot of noise. And I have a double filter stock coming in. And then obviously my ATO, my freshwater top off is going to be on the right side cabinet, and then he's going to start putting all this stuff. Going to start attaching it to the walls and stuff like that.
Very cool.
Yeah, but I have some pretty exotic fish coming. I have a Demtang coming in. That's like a grail fish, and I have a few others. But yeah, doing pretty well.
Is your position protected at all? No. Okay.
Let me check.
So it looks like we're bouncing back off of this strong SPX level. So I've been mostly looking at NQ factors here. I hope this doesn't just launch back up.
I'm gonna sell one right now to secure like $180 profit, and then I wonder if I should slap break even or not. You're still in, huh, baby boy?
I'm still in, but I'm being a little greedy. I was up $900. Obviously, I need 4,500 to pass the eval, but you know, we sliced right through this SPX level on the way up, and it looks like it became support. So I'm a little bit concerned that this might be as far as we go. So I'm just gonna be mindful here.
Yeah. I want to be a little bit defensive too. I think defensive for me will be I'll set. It's hard to say.
Yeah, LJ, if
I'm
you
gonna just
wanna,
take it off. I'm gonna just take it off.
Okay, yeah, smart.
I'm gonna just take it off.
Yeah,
I'll chill.
Yeah, just wait. LJ, if you want to talk like maybe right after market close, because we do have some meetings today, but I can do after market close if you want to talk. Yeah, DM me.
I also want to reassure you, LJ, you're not the only person whose mental got fried last week. Last week was pretty brutal. I'm repressing my Ethereum bearishness, the Ethereum red. I'm just repressing it. I'm acting like it's not there, and I'm just not opening those accounts. I'm holding. But if last week was a bad week for you, you lost some accounts or you took some heavy losses, just understand you're not alone, man. And it's not the end of the world. It's only month 2 for 2026. This is a total sum, right? Total sum sport. So keep your head up, man. You got this, LJ. You got this, LJ. Happy birthday to you.
You see how Yamada's been giving nicknames in Chinese to our team?
No, I have not.
So I think Billy is Da Wang or something, and then Reza's translates to Gold Goblin. Hey, look here. Let me ping Reza
Yumata.
just to bother him. Does it still show up?
I
Oh, it
swear to
doesn't
God,
have it
Yumata will
anymore.
do
What the
shit like
hell?
this. Yumata will do shit like this, and then he'll be like, "So guess my ethnicity. Guess it. Guess it. What could it be? What could it be?"
Oh, Slime has one too. Is yours?
Oh my
Oh,
God, Gold Bro.
is that what it is?
Yeah, he's Gold Bros.
Gold Bros. We said
Hold on,
I
mute.
think Billy's name means like Big Wang or something like that.
No, it means king.
Wang is
Da
king.
means big. Da means big, and then Wang means king.
Okay. You know, I just started my Mandarin classes on Duolingo. I'm gonna make that one of my things this year.
Don't worry, man. In 5 years, you'll be able to speak broken Chinese.
Yeah. I'm very good at learning language and understanding it, but if I don't speak it, I just lose it. Like I took, I know I've told Kronos, but I took 2 years of German. I was actually top of my class. I don't remember like a single fucking word because I never used it, you know? But I worked in the kitchen, I can speak Spanish. Like, it's just like if you don't have to actually utilize it in the moment, like I don't know. I have a kind of brain that like it only holds on to relevant information.
I re-entered this long. I mean, this short.
Really? Honestly,
Yeah, I
I would
re-entered.
have inversed me if you were gonna come back in here because looks like we want to make the next leg up.
Damn. Damn, I should have been a hater. You're totally right.
It's
I should have
okay.
been a hater,
It's okay.
but
You're
it's
playing
okay.
it super safe.
Yeah,
You're all right.
I'm waiting. I'll wait to add one. It's so cool seeing how educated you guys are. Like, education is going to be the great equalizer in our society soon. As this middle class gets destroyed, educated people, you guys are either going to have to get your shit together and start selling out properly or get compressed into oblivion with the rest of the middle class, at least here in America.
Pratik, what prop firm are you? Top Step? Yeah, there's no consistency on funded at all. No consistency. You need to make $550 green days, and you can take half your profits out. Yeah, sky's the limit. The thing is, if you take a small payout, like say you make $2,000 and you take $1,000, it's gonna leave you with $1,000 drawdown. So you're essentially almost blowing your account if you take a small payout. So I would say at minimum, unless you really just want to take the money and kind of get your mental right, like at minimum you should take, yeah. Well, no, the max you can take out is five, right? But I would say at bare minimum, at least take
Misha,
out
we're
two.
legging up. We're legging
Oh,
up right
oh,
now.
thank you. I'm actually gonna hold this a little longer, see if we come back down again. But if I have to cut, I'll cut.
Same.
Um,
Same.
but yeah, Pratik, I would say minimum take out 2,000, so that would be a $4,000 balance, and then at least you have 2,000 drawdown to work with for your next payout. Anything less than that is like you're only getting what maybe 3 attempts before you blow your account, or one if it's a crazy day. So just be aware of like you're losing your drawdown below your balance. It's basically whatever profit you have left will become your drawdown. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, get at least that much more. 69.85. I don't know if I could survive that, OB. Honestly, I'm in 3 NQ contracts. I would have to cut and retry if we come up there.
I'm gonna just leave one. I'm gonna leave this one con.
Actually, let me look. The top here, yeah, 5 points. I don't know. That might be like exactly my drawdown. So this is one of the evals I have passed on Friday. So it's sting a little bit more to blow it, but it's still, I think this one was like $170, so I'll live. Still waiting for one of my payouts from Friday, so we'll get the money back. Sure looks like the market really wants 7,000 right now.
Yeah. Look at this printing.
Let's get that sell off before the launch. But no joke, you see that last local low there, MPO would have been a great place to long, because that's a very strong SPX level.
Come on, baby.
Very nice tall girl. No shame in taking a little bit of profit. It's so early in the day. I remember just coming in here in the first couple hours and just clicking that button over and over is unnecessary. Patience will come out on top here.
Good morning, tall girl. Congratulations. Nice trade. I added a con here.
Okay, I see you. I see you.
Can we see more of the gamma NPO? Yes. Here you go, Pimpon.
That is so nasty looking.
Yeah.
It was funny, NPO. I don't know if you were watching the chats last night, but a lot of people were just crying, "Oh, my long-term port is dead. Everything's over." And it's just like, sure enough, we're just coming back to the same range here.
You guys got to buy some more, man. It's just everyone's always, oh my God, buy the dip. Buy the dip. And then when the dip comes, everyone's like, oh my God, the market's dipping. It's over.
It's over.
I think that's what made me a very successful investor, Misha. I'm too stupid to jump out of some of these ships, you know?
Yeah.
And I only expend what I'm capable of losing. I've seen too many people lose it all, you know? So I diversify my risk very well.
Yeah, I'm not putting my rent money on the trades, man. That's for sure.
Yeah. Well, now you put more than your rent on into these trades.
No, I don't put anything in these trades. I put profits on these trades.
Yeah. No, but I meant risk side, you know?
Yeah.
Blowing accounts still cost money.
It does. But, as I've told people, like, since I've been pretty consistent, my cost base is about 10 to 15%, which is like pretty damn good. So I'm
I was
spending
gonna say
about,
that is
10
good.
to 15% a month on evals versus the payouts that I'm taking to the bank. Oh, Kronos, I'm not doing it again. I've been sitting in this for, what is this? 45.
You might be talking about me, Kronos.
Yeah.
I re-entered the short.
I've been sitting in this for about 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm. We're in the same position, just on NQ and ES side difference. All right, we're up 200 Dara.
Oh, thanks, all Betsy. Hope you're having a good Monday. Um,
Likewise, all Betsy. Good morning.
I'll look at my Top Step and see if they actually gave me any accounts because I didn't get the email back yet. Let's see. Oh, what are you crying about, buddy? What? What? Oh, my dog is crying. Probably hears another dog outside.
Thanks, all Betsy. I'm right here. I'm right here next to him, doing the exact same shit next to him. But
Now,
thank you.
now
Thank
you
you, all
know how
Betsy.
I feel, dude. Like I'll be in here like the first person in the trade, and then like Swayze Reckius take the trade, and then like you or Yamada show up, and you're like, "Nice trade, Reckius," and I was like, "Yo, like I posted this all morning."
Thank you, all Betsy. According to Misha, my IQ is a 170, so we'll have to see. All right, I'm gonna walk away now.
Yeah,
I
go
ended up
get your
staying a
trade
little
in.
bit longer.
We'll yell for you if something crazy happens. Oh, Kronos, they charge a subscription for evals, right? If you don't pass them within the month. And I have no active evals and they were still charging me. So I think they're going to give me eval accounts for all, but still, like, that's still me getting 150Ks when I'm supposed to be on the program. So I would be pretty down for that. The only reason I didn't want to do it is, first of all, I'm pissed at Top Step, but second of all, like, my trading style just doesn't work with 50Ks, Is I did try it once when they moved me. I got my 50K up to 4K and I fucking lost it. And I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's not that I absolutely couldn't. It's just I'm not willing to change my perspective. Tall girl, I trade with a few for sure. I think everybody knows that Tradeify is one of mine for sure. What account did you get with them? Oh, you're not crazy at all. Oh, on ES? Ooh. I'm gonna say yes just because that would look good for my position. But I don't usually do my levels according to the futures contracts. So usually I'm doing it according to the spot price ticker. So Growth 150K, that's my favorite account. Very nice. So what's really cool about that is after you get your first payout at 6,500, it's only gonna be 2,500, but your next payout target is gonna be 6,500 again. So you only need to make 2,500, and then your next payout will be 3K. So that's the growth part of it. Is it keeps your cap keeps growing and growing. Yeah. The big issue that I found since I started getting more consistent with those accounts is once you get to the third payout, it gets up to 4,000, and if you're still at 6,500, that's going to leave you with only 2,500 drawdown. So that's when you might want to start going past the profit target and kind of building your buffer a little bit. But yeah, they go as high as you get 5K on the fourth or fifth payout. So they do get better and better. But the real big thing to me is the 1 day pass on the eval because that's just absolutely like it's just a cheat code. Oh, break this level. Break it. MPO, you're rich. You're rich, MPO. Yeah. So the thing with the 1 day pass all girl is you don't necessarily want to go for the 9K in one trade. Like you can do it. I've done it on live stage, but if you're up 7K, like go and start trailing that, because if you get knocked out, you have $12,000 in drawdown to make 2K. You know what I mean? Like unless you wait till the next day and it moves your trailing up.
Wait, I can pass this. I can pass this SPX eval, and I mean, I can pass this Top Step eval in 1 day.
No, 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 no. She's talking about this growth account on Tradeify.
Oh,
But I was just saying that that's so easy to do because it has end of day trailing. So if you do it all in 1 day, you can stack your drawdown up rather than waiting for it to reset the next day and do it again. Because you make $4,500 on this combine, the next day you still only have $4,500 in drawdown. If you made $4,500 on it on the 1 day pass, now you have $9,000 in drawdown and you can keep going. So
damn, Misha.
We bounced
I
on
was
that
up.
level again, bro. Come on.
I was gonna say I was up.
So was I. I think it was up like
I was
1,200 for a second there.
I was.
No, I was. You were up 800.
Yeah, about 800. Ooh, I thought about setting a TP there too. But I'm
That's what
greedy
saying.
like
Like
you.
you look at the data, you don't want to get too greedy on this short, but I was hope that very much looked like it was gonna break that level, so I got excited there.
Yeah.
We'll see. If we can break through that level for real, I'll put a stop in, and if we get stopped out, like we'll just wait for the next one. It's looking a little better on NQ side, but very much just slingshot up.
I'm gonna throw in a stop at break even. If this stops out again, I'm gonna get a better price for entry.
Oh, Obi's calling for previous close. That's 30 points, my dude.
Order filled.
All right, I got stopped out break even here. Hopefully, I didn't miss the short.
No, that might have been the best stop out you've ever done. We'll see.
Yeah, just because I'm about to walk my dogs, I don't want to walk back to either 3,000 profit or a blown account.
Yeah, Chronos, basically right at the next session start, so 2 hours after market close, you can activate the account. What'd you do all weekend, MPO?
Just take care of business. I'm not even gonna lie. Just catching up on all this bullshit paperwork, everything on the background.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I feel that.
I'm tired. Yeah. And this week I'm probably gonna trade like most likely the first 2 hours a day and then take a break.
Okay.
That's probably gonna be how I catch up properly. But there's a lot of stuff I need to do. It sucks. Being an adult honestly fucking sucks. Can I get an amen?
Yeah, but it could be a lot worse.
You're right.
You could have a job that you had to show up to every day.
Yeah. I haven't had many jobs in my lifetime, so I feel like I got that out of my system very young. From 17 to 19 is my real serious, like, grinding server, campus job, engineering assistant. I tried it all. And at the end of all that stuff, by the time I was 19, Misha, I just realized that I can't work for somebody. It's just not going to work,
Yeah.
And I'll tell you my biggest problem actually. My biggest problem is that every job I go to, I'm so much of an overachiever. People just hate how enthusiastic I am about everything. Like I don't know why. I bring light into everything that I do. I wash dishes with joy. I wipe floors with joy. You know, I take orders and, let people yell at me to my face with joy.
So they didn't like
And
you
that
because
just
they
rubbed,
couldn't break you.
yeah, that rubbed a lot of my coworkers the wrong way. They just didn't like that I was just so happy all the time. I'm just a happy boy.
We love that about you. But
Just a
I
happy
think about
boy.
we do have life isn't easy, and we picked one of the hardest professions in the world. But if I was really like just having the worst week of my life, I could literally just grab my laptop, grab my girl, grab my dogs, and just go fucking rent a house on the beach for the week. Like if I wanted to, like I could do whatever the hell
Yeah.
I want. I don't. I'm still sitting here, like just grinding every day. But if I truly wanted to, like that's pure freedom. Okay.
I re-entered this short right now. I saw that we just broke that low on
I'm
NQ.
putting a stop in. We're gonna let it ride. Let's see.
Ugh, I was a little too defensive. I should have kept that running. Entering
That's
here is
okay.
pretty risky.
That's okay.
Yeah, but I do think it's coming since we did. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Look at that NQ. It's okay, Spy. You don't scare me. This is Spy trying to be like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it because everyone's doing it. I'm not gonna go down.
Yeah, get out of here.
You're gonna come down, Spy. Give me that ass. Give me that ass. Spy, give me that Spy Dussy.
So I'm gonna have to get defensive around 25,800 in case we
Take
get a
that shit.
vicious bounce, because my TP
Yeah.
is just below that. I'm hoping we get a wick through and I get lucky, but I don't want to lose. We're up almost 3 grand. I don't want to lose all this here. So
I should have took that shit on NQ side, dude. I'm so fucking mad, dude. I'm playing with pennies here on the Spy.
no, you're playing it safe, man. You're playing it
I
safe.
know.
You only got what, like 2,500 drawdown on this account.
Yeah.
Like it
I
makes
didn't want to
sense.
blow this account. I'm trying to nurse this one back.
Maybe you get it
I'm just
back
trying to
over
be so real.
150k if you want to play with NQ a little bit. But okay, what are we stopping on here?
We're stopping on that Spy level.
Yeah, I'm looking. So I have a
Ugh.
exposure on SPX we perfectly touched. Okay. It still looks good on NQ to get us to 800, but
This level's got to
I
break
do
right now, and
expect a pretty hard bounce if I get
we
to the
break, we're
top of
breaking,
here.
we're breaking the Spy level. So let's see.
Okay.
This is what we need to come down.
Okay.
I'm up around 300 on this one. 200, 300, fluctuating around there.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
All right, that broke, chat. Chat, we making money together or what? You guys printing cash with us? Money, money. So good. Money, yummy. I'm gonna set a break even here because I'm a punk bitch. I'm not trying to fuck around. Set $100 stop in.
I don't know, Rooks. If we can get through this exposure, I think I'm in the clear. Let's see.
Yeah, right. No! No! That wicked me out again.
Oh, Betsy just cheering us on today, man. I love it. Now we grew a little bit on the downside, but still looks like we're going up today overall. I'm about to get stopped out here. But I will take the extra drawdown. It'll make the final trade much easier.
I have a feeling it's gonna take your TP right there,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna milk. We're gonna max out downside right now. Look at this, dude. It looks kind of free folly.
It
It
was
looks like
happening a lot
free falling.
last week. Fucking NQ likes to disrespect me like that.
Yeah.
But I don't want to. I don't want to move my stop back because I want to secure something here. Because you know, if I add to my drawdown and I'm working with 6,000 instead of 4,500, it's gonna be so easy to get the last 3,000. You know, I won't be sweating in my position when I'm down 2K. Someone pull out a shoe. Can someone stomp this down with a shoe?
It's gonna happen right now. Spy's breaking. God damn it, Spy's breaking. Shh,
Order filled.
I'm gonna chase with one, chat. Don't tell anyone. I'm gonna chase one.
This is the worst place to chase with one. Oh my god.
Oh, I went long on accident, so I made money.
Oh, he's up. He's up another 100.
Ah, I made it. Oh, printed $60 there. Oh shit. Good little misclick. All right, I'm gonna stop being retarded here. Let me lock out.
Yeah, 30 minutes. There you go.
All right, I'm gonna go walk my dogs. See you guys.
See you. Can you guys hear that? The little guy is riled up today, man. What are you barking at? What? What is it? Okay. Yeah, I used to mute myself because I thought you guys could hear the dogs because I would see my screen light up that I was talking, but I guess you can't hear it that well. What is it, buddy? What you doing? Hey. Shh. Uh-oh. I'm getting a phone call. Give me 1 sec. Oh my god. You guys, I'm so stupid. He was barking because the maid was at the door. Oh, I feel so bad. I was like, what's his problem, man? Thank you for holding my position, though. I appreciate that. Oh, this dog is so much smarter than me. Both the dogs are smarter than me. Alright, I think I'm going to trail this some more. Might want to trail it actually pretty tight. Let's see how close we get here. Yeah, my dogs are very crafty. The younger one, my wife is convinced he's like a shapeshifter or something. He's so strange. Come on, baby. Just a little more. Don't you say that, tall girl. Don't you say that, tall girl. Just give it like 10 more points down, and then you can have your bounce. Alright, so we're coming up on it. I don't want to get a vicious bounce up. This should secure me, I think, like 2,600. I can live with that. Two cons is hard to trade with? I don't think it's that bad. Are you trading NQ? Oh, stopped out. Delete this. Yeah, so that gives us 7,000 to work with. I need 3,000 more. I think that was a pretty good exit. Yeah, you just got to be really patient when you add in your second contract so you don't get anchored on your position. But it's totally workable. How dare you root against my position, tall girl, but also you were right. Long? I don't know. I don't know if I would go long yet. I think this could either be a vicious bounce or a little bounce. Let's see. I do see where that wick stops though, so I actually was thinking that level was a little lower. Oh dang, Obi, wow. Let's see. I'm still looking at that. Obi, get out of that so I can go long. I don't want to inverse you. Got stopped. Yeah, I'm looking at this now. This actually looks pretty solid. Let's see. 3,000. Let's try it. We got all the room in the world to give this a shot. How strict is TOF on their consistency? I mean, if you go over, they're just gonna extend your profit target. Yeah. So it'll update that your profit target is extended. Yeah. I think it's pretty strict, like to the dollar almost. I haven't traded them since last year though, since I lost my pre-live account. Oh, sorry, tall girl. This is my long now, but I appreciate your input. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Kronos, you want to show me what it looks like on the dashboard without like doxing your account number or anything? This is Trading View. So I linked the Tradeovate to Trading View. It's okay. It's it's a little laggy. You can't do you can't see the prices once you've activated orders. There's some things I don't like, but I really prefer to Tradeovate. That's just me. Let's see. So it's showing you 88% is your consistency. So it's probably hasn't updated yet. That's probably what it is. I don't think it updates right away. So you'll probably get an update like later in the day. Yeah, you gotta use dark mode, dude. We stare at screens all day. Protect your eyes. Looks like we were up about 1,000 on this, or was it 1,200? I'm trying to go for the whole bit here. Let's see. Hold the line. Hang on, let me look at this. So your highest profit day is. Hang on. Highest profit day is 2,323. 2,323. Yeah, that's right. Your highest profit day times 5 with 20%. So this actually isn't a bad strategy for that account, Kronos. So these tight consistency accounts, since the profit target goes down after your first payout, it's actually kind of better to build that extra buffer. Like that's how Yamada and I both got our accounts to last for the full amount of payouts, is because we kept that extra balance in there. So it's going to be a little bit of extra work. That first payout is the hardest, but once you get it, your second payout's going to be very easy unless you do some dumb shit, because you're going to have so much extra drawdown. So it feels like a setback, but it's actually going to help you in the long run, honestly. It's up to you. It's up to you, but I was definitely targeting at least 2,000 a day when I was doing that account. Um, I think, what is it? Yeah, I think 1,800 is the max you can make a day without extending it. So you're just adding a little bit to your buffer. Yeah, you're gonna have more buffer after you take your payout. What are we stalling on here? 75? 75, 76. I believe. Where is everybody today? Missing like 30 people we normally have in the live stage. This slow Monday. Must be sleeping in, man. I sure wanted to. I don't know what it is. Even with these crazy workouts I've been doing, I still haven't been able to sleep very early at night. Yeah, you know what else it is? Is like we'll go to bed at like 9:30, 10 o'clock, and like my girl will not like want me to stay up. Like I'll be like falling asleep. She's like, "No, don't go to sleep yet. I'm not ready." And then like finally she gets me to like stop being tired and wake up, and then she falls asleep and I'm wide awake. I know. That happened to me like 3 nights in a row. I'm like, you gotta stop doing this to me. Like, if I'm tired, just let me go. Right. That happened the other night. Like, she was nagging me to wake up. And I wake up, and literally, like, 2 minutes later, she was snoring. And I was like, are you kidding me? Repeat the cycle and wake her up. Yeah, I want to live, man. I want to live. Who's texting me? The hell? I just got a friend request from Fake Yumata. I never get the Fake Yumata requests. Oh shit, are we about to hit TP right now? I was looking at my DMs. Trail it. Come on, baby. Just need 7 more points. Gray Man believes in me, that's all I need. Yeah, we sure got close. What were we on? Oh, we're on 76. Mm-hmm. It's okay. No, we don't have a code for Top Step. They actually don't really do affiliations with anyone, unfortunately. Or we totally would have them. Yeah, they are missing out. They would get all the money if they let us. But the thing is they don't need it because everyone uses them already, so they're not trying to share the money. We'll see. They might be falling on hard times with all the silver traders. Maybe they'll want some of that money now. Five points away. I believe that you need to talk to their support. Um, Hang on. I think that Yamada made a post about it. Let me find it for you. Uh, where he put that? But I swear he gave you guys instructions on how to do this. Hey, are there any mentees in the chat? I know I've already done the QD code process. Can you help Kronos out with that? I believe you talked to them. It's Jacob, right? You need to talk to Jacob. Oh, is this it? Three more points? Just let me have it. Yeah, there you go. If you go on the QD Discord, you'll get a quicker response. Oh, it's right on it. It's right on it. Come on. Come on. There it goes. 2 evals passed today. Very nice, guys. Thank you, tall girl, for spoon feeding me. Appreciate you.
Great work, Misha. I'm back. I'm just feeding my fish.
Nice. How was the dog walk? Was Munch happy?
Yeah, he's doing great.
Well, and Riley. Can't forget Riley. She's so sweet.
Yeah.
All right. So, I think I have. Oh, what the hell? Guys, I didn't even need 3,000. I made an extra 1,000 by accident. Oh my god. All right, my math is off today, but we're still winning. Yeah, tall girl, I'm putting you on stage tomorrow so we can all eat. Your boss will love that. Well, if your boss knew you were making thousands of dollars, he might have to show you some respect. I mean, Elmo, look at the Greeks. There isn't much downside. We're taking these shorts off of just pullbacks off of levels. Like overall, like data shows up. I want to see that start giving up before I really go for a big short. Yeah, I mean, you can see the QD on MPO's screen here. It's lit up on the upside. Closest you've been to passing an eval? What, ever? Where are you at? Let us help you. Well, Orangutan, I'm pretty well known for trading gold. I am a little bit scared of it right now when we have 30, 50 point candles. And I don't trade it during New York. I very much like to trade gold in after hours just to secure like green days for payouts and kind of just knock accounts out of the way before the next day. But after that move last week where it moved 200 points straight up, I kind of don't want to touch it. All right, see you, tall girl. Garlic, is it? This is a 50K account? Okay. 500 bucks. This can be done. Let's wait for the next setup, though. You've been trading micros? Okay. Very smart. Very smart. You're gonna need to, where you're at right now, you're gonna need to find a balance with your risk appetite. Because if you're too careful, you're gonna miss your moves. You're gonna get frustrated, and when something bad does happen, you're gonna have spent all these days for nothing. So you do want to, try and let your trade play out the best that you can. I'd rather lose an account earlier than spend a month chipping at it and lose it. I'll tell you that much. Like as you start to find more consistency, your time is going to be much more valuable than babying the count. And you're going to experience it even worse on funded because now that you've psyched yourself out that it's a big deal, the funded is really going to get in your head. So you just need to focus on your trade, let it play out, manage it correctly. No, Trade Evade is terrible. I know like 2 people that like Trade Evade out of our entire server. Good job securing profits, Pratik. All right, Obi, will you create my custom layout for me then? So the playing one is the one that's down, Garlic? Oh, he actually has it. Of course you do. Of course you do. I'll download that for later. That better not be a virus, bro. I will say though, the challenge of moving off of Project X is, I think, is actually made me a better trader, honestly. Like it's good to get those training wheels off. Yeah, I like Volumetrica, honestly. I wish that I wish that the firms that lost Project X all started using Volumetrica instead of just Tradeovate. That would have been pretty sweet. Well, you might be talking about the 200K static tall girl, and that has a low drawdown, but the drawdown does not trail you, so it ends up being bigger. Yeah, take the day off, Garlic. We can pass that tomorrow. Why not? I'll look and see if I can activate these evals or not. Wait a second. What the hell? It says I need to make even more on this account? That doesn't make sense. It was only at 4,500. Let me look at this. Yeah, what? That's so weird. I think because I made too much today, it's saying that my profit target's extended. That's so strange. So if I lose money, it'll pass? Let's see. I need to lose $1,000. Oh my god. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see if I can lose $1,000. Don't copy what I'm doing. I'm trying to lose $1,000. Anybody that's watching. I want to see if this fixes the profit target. Just do $10. See if it adjusts. That's a good point. I could just close it right here, but we're almost at what I was looking for anyway. You know, lose another 400 here. Come on. All right, you know what? You're right. Let's just close it and see if it does something. And hasn't updated. Inverse spoon feeding? Yeah. If I'm trying to lose money, then just inverse me. All right, I'll just have to wait for this to update to be sure, but I think I'm right, honestly. You can try and lose this other what is it? 600? Let's see. I'm just going to go for it. pretty sure I'm right because my first day on this account was only 4,400, so there's no way that would have extended it. Come on. Here it comes. Give it to me. Oh my god. I know, I've never seen that before. I'm really confused. Yeah,
Let me know if you
that's
need
how
me
it
in
is
the
on most
chat.
prop firms. What'd you say, MPO?
I said, just let me know if you need me. I'm in the background. I'm just mesmerized by my eel.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna need you to entertain us here, but right now I'm trying to lose money because I made too much money. Oh, Shift, don't ask him that. Don't ask him that. Rage baiter. Oh, the buffer phase, you're just you're building your buffer for your funded stage, basically. It's kind of like the same step on TPT where it's like once you get past that buffer, then you can take payouts, right? So once you get that buffer, anything you take over that, you can start taking your daily payouts when the funded is active from the buffer. Yeah. I don't know if it's like an entirely different stage and then you have to activate the funded or not, but it's essentially the same thing. Like you're going to take that buffer into the funded. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Kronos. But once you get that daily payout funded account, you're going to be set. All right. We're now over the amount of money that I originally had. I think I'm going to average into this and keep trying. Let's see what happens. Uh, getting rich on accident. I picked the top. I know. I was like $300 away from the money I was trying to lose. Can't stop. I could move it down again, but then I'm going to have 12 contracts, and that's going to be... Then I'm going to lose too much. Or make too much. I'm just going to let it play out. I'm going to go look at QD and see if downside came back. Oh, a little bit. A little bit. Oh my god. I might have just made the best trade of the day by accident. Actually, wait a second. If I needed to make extra money, why don't I just close the position? What was I thinking? Oh my god, you guys. I'm so stupid today. Wait. No, you're right, because it's going to push it more because it's the same day. You're right. That's okay. So I need to lose $1,900. Which direction to lose the money, you guys? Buy and sell silver. I don't want to accidentally level the account. Here, we'll go 6 contracts. 6 contracts. 1,900. There. That's true. I could just cook it from the fills on metals, but... Let me see. I mean, I don't think that necessarily sucks because the brokerage account is supposed to be really, really good to have. It is kind of weird that you have to request the review yourself, though. Like, that should just be automatic. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, you can't have it. That's a good point. Oh, okay. There we go. 9,064. That should be good. We're going to leave that alone. Make sure there's no open orders. Okay. That should pass. That should pass. Okay.
stuff, Misha.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, we're just doing our little thing. Feeling good on a Monday. Oh shit. Just got an email from Top Step. I got combines reopened. Let's see what this looks like. What did they give me? No active accounts. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, there's two right here. Oh. I have to reset it with the reset credits that they gave me. Then it'll be open. Oh shit. I got 150Ks. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. There's no data showing up. How doesn't that work? What the hell? I'm gonna ask support right now what's going on here. See, so they activated my accounts, but there's no symbols showing up on Project X. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Yeah, I tried refreshing. I don't know. Yeah, new form of jail. I mean, they'll figure it out. It is what it is. It's pretty cool though. Got 250Ks now. And I have extra reset credits left over too. What is this? Trying to long to glory? Um. Yeah, I mean, if you can get past 75, 76 on SPX, I can see that playing out. Oh, funded is available to activate, so we did fix it. Alright, so we got 2 fundeds up to get today together. We'll see if we can get the third one.
I'm here right with you, baby boy. Just kind of chilling a little bit, catching up on paperwork, but I'm listening to you.
All good, all good. Market starts stalling out like this, though. I'm running out of stuff to talk about. You have to give us something.
No, take a break.
Some funny
We
stories.
take a little bit of a break.
No, I don't like running around my house when the maid's here.
I forgot. You still use a maid service?
Yeah, we moved it to just once every 2 weeks because it was getting like ridiculous for me to deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually, I'm not gonna lie. I have a maid service now too.